QSI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With Quantum SI stock, I am actually in love. I mean, I like the solid shift and just increase in price that we've got, because you know, beforehand, because we were inside a demand zone, all I was hoping was a second break, which I never got, and since then I just kind of abandoned this ticker, never really documented it that much after. And then finally, because I'm starting to see some breaks up here, yeah, I'm very open-minded for more of these longs. So how's this going to look like? I'm just going to mark up the top. And in this particular case, I'm just praying for a confirmation. You know, I'm praying for this thing to pull down and then give me some sort of a double break. But like randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So I'm being very utmost clear. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy. See ya.